Next term is the couple. So it is the effect of two unlike parallel forces of same magnitude. Consider these two forces. They are unlike parallel and they have the same magnitude. So couple will be force into perpendicular distance, or we can say force into arm of couple, that is equal to D. Now sign convention for movement or sign convention for couple we are going to follow is anti-clockwise movement or anti-clockwise couple we are going to consider positive, whereas clockwise couple or clockwise movement we are going to consider negative. Next point, characteristics of the couple. So resultant of forces forming couple is always equal to 0, that R is equal to 0. Now next point is moment of couple about any point is same, and that is equal to magnitude of couple itself. Means what? Magnitude of couple we know force into distance. So if you take moment of that couple about any point, say A, B or O, so its value is not going to change. Next is couple can only be balanced by a couple of same magnitude and in opposite sense or in opposite direction. Number of couple can be replaced by a single couple by simply taking the algebraic sum of all the couples acting on the system. Now last point from unit number 1 is equivalent force couple system. Now let us consider one example. We have one force of F which is acting at point B. So we have to replace that force F which is acting at B by one force and couple at A. Now what we can do is we can take equal and opposite force at point A. Okay. Now just consider this downward force F and this force F. They will form a couple. They will form an anti-clockwise couple with magnitude, force and distance D, and this force will remain as it is. So this is the equivalent force couple system which is going to act at point A. In other words, we have replaced this force F by equivalent force and couple at point A. Now if you consider one more example, now in this example we are interested to find equivalent force couple system at point C. For that purpose, I need to eliminate this 10 Newton, this 20 Newton. So first I have started to eliminate this 10. Now this 40 can be divided into 10 and 30. Now this 10 and this 10, they will form a couple. They will form a clockwise couple whose magnitude is 10 into 12. Okay. Now this 10 and this 10 is balanced by this couple. So 30 will remain as it is. Now next point is I have to balance this 20. So for to balance this 20, I will take this 30 as a 20 plus 10. Now this 20 and this 20, they are going to form one couple whose magnitude will be 20 into 7. Whose magnitude will be 20 into 7. Now this 120 is already there and this 140. Both have same sense, so there will be addition of these two. So 120 plus 140 is equal to 260, that is the magnitude of couple, and what is remaining? That 10 is remaining because this 20 is balanced by that 20. Okay. So in short, for equivalent force, we have to take summation of all forces, and for equivalent couple, we have to take the moment of all forces about that point. Okay. For example, let us consider this one. If I am interested to take equivalent force couple system at point C, so I have to take the algebraic sum of all forces. Okay. So this plus 10 plus 20, that is equal to plus 30 minus 40, means our resultant will be minus 10. So this is the equivalent force. Now coming to the equivalent couple, simply I have to take the moment of all forces about point C. So moment of this 40 will be 0, moment of this 20 will be clockwise 20 into 7, and moment of this 10 will be clockwise again 20 into 12. So if you add that part, we will get the 260 Newton meter. So that is the equivalent couple.